I won't be covering how to install Menyoo in this video, so let's get straight to the method. Press F8 on your keyboard to open Menyoo. Once the menu opens, scroll down and select time options. Now go to hour and simply increase the hour until you reach daytime. As you can see, the sky changes from night to day instantly. You can play around with different hours to get the exact lighting you want for gameplay, screenshots or videos. Another method you can use is the GTA 5 cheat code Make a Train. Open the cheat console and type Make a Train. This will cycle through different weather conditions. The first time it may change to extra sunny weather, and if you enter it again, it can switch to clear weather and other weather types. You can also use your in-game phone and dial 1-999-962-WAV-534-87246, which is the same Make a Train cheat code. Personally, if you want complete control over the time of day, I recommend using the Menyoo method because you can instantly set the exact hour you want. And that's it, guys. I hope this video helped you change night to day in GTA 5. If it did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more GTA 5 tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.